Welcome back to craft time! Today we will be making windsocks. Do you know what a windsock is? I don't know. So stay tuned to learn some amazing facts with us about windsocks. Here we go!
For this amazing windsock craft, you will need 1. A plastic bottle, 2. Some white glue, 3. Ribbons of different colors. The more colorful, the better. 4. A hole puncher, 5. Some water, 6. Different colors of tissue paper, or we will be using some wrapping paper and colored paper today. 7. A big paintbrush. 8. A piece of string. 9. A pair of scissors. You can make this windsock in 5 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Cut off the top and bottom of the plastic bottle to make a tube. A windsock is a tool used to determine the direction and strength of the wind. Step 2. Mix the glue and water in equal parts and set it aside. Then tear up some strips of tissue paper or our wrapping paper and paint them onto the bottled tube with the glue and water mixture. Windsocks were invented by the Japanese. Step 3. Punch holes in one end of the bottle and tie different colors of ribbon through them. Wow! This is going to look amazing! Did you know that windsocks were inspired by the wind sails used by naval ships in the 19th century? Step 4. Punch 2 holes at the top and use the string to tie a loop. Step 5. Hang the windsock up on a stick, a pole, a tree, or a washing line and watch which way the ribbons blow. The ribbons blow in the direction of the wind.
Now that was a really cool way to learn about the direction and the strength of the wind. And we had some fun. Didn't we have fun? Yes, we did. Please like our channel and remember to subscribe for more amazing craft videos. We look forward to seeing you next time.